Fayval Williams is trending and the PNP is ending. Them done fool. This is why Jamaica needs consistent leadership, which we already have with the JLP. Hey everyone, it's Skywalker with your coffee. Welcome to my channel again, the place where good coffee makes bad people feel bad, and that's not a bad thing. My people, at least you should smell the brew that I have for you. You know, some people say the PNP is like a broken clock. It's right like only twice a day. Talking about clocks, I heard that a certain fellow was born in London under Big Ben. And so all he knows for a speech is to announce and make an alarm that time come. But let's talk about a party that's actually working around the clock, the JLP, not the PNP that has seemed to change their names to SYM, Rise United, but also the PNP party for this election. There are two parties, both hating the other, are trying to contest an election as one. Two parties, both hating each other, are trying to contest an election as one. What can go so? They cannot seem to decide on anything. Can they now? They have Ralston Hyman telling us garbage that positive growth, prosperity, and surplus means me teacher, me. We are in a recession. And now he believes he is so smart that IMF soon come call him out of him job of criticizing everything he does not even know. This man cannot reason beyond a certain degree of simplicity. My comrade Bridget sent this post to me with this man claiming to be an economist but cannot truly define what a recession is, except in parts. It was a good laugh though. Ralston Hyman is a funny kind of economist, it seems. Thank goodness we have intelligent people running the country and his auntie Fayval spending our money and not one of the clueless PNP members again. Consistent leadership under the JLP is crucial for Jamaica's progress. We cannot change a winning family. That kind of leadership does not exist under the PNP banner. So there you have it. More coffee, anyone? The truth is kind of feisty sometimes, but we just have to tell it. We cannot change a winning formula. The numbers don't lie, my people. Let's dive into Fayval Williams' budget debate highlights. The debt to GDP ratio is now at 68.7%, a massive improvement that means Jamaica has more money to spend now than in previous times. The government is funding the 2025-26 budget with 949.5 billion in tax revenues, showing fiscal discipline, my people. Compare this to the PNP's run with it days, where fiscal recklessness led to years of negative balances. The PNP's budget strategy was like a party with no chaperone. Fun at first, but chaos by the end. Those days are gone and Fayval William is here. We are talking about real benefits for real people. Tangible benefits include the increase in the income tax threshold to 1.8 million, giving Jamaicans more take home pay. As Fayval suggested, save that extra 2,000 monthly to buy a car. Imagine no more standing in the sun waiting for a taxi. Thanks to the JLP, You could be rolling in your own throwbacks. The opposition's track record, the opposition's track record, oh, the PNP loves to talk about their vision, but it seems like they need glasses because their policies always seem a bit blurry. The PNP's track record, and well, they don't have a plan, so I don't see them having a vision either. The JLP's disciplined approach contrasts with the PNP's history of deficits, debt, and lack of a plan because they don't know how to make a good plan, but they know how to lie more than the entire world put together. So they just go ahead, make no plan, and lie that they fear the JLP, who have a better plan already, will steal their useless one. Impossible. Impossible. We are going great. Thanks to Fayval Williams. We won't change a winning formula. We won't because that makes no sense. To maintain this momentum, we cannot change the winning formula for consistent leadership. To never change a winning formula, we must keep these talented JLP workers in our column. The JLP isn't just leading Jamaica, they are building a legacy, and that's something we can all be proud of. Think on these things, my people. Peace out.